Could the hottest AI in town, ChatGPT, be the secret to supercharging your business? Or could it be a ticking time bomb waiting to explode? ChatGPT has been making waves and turning heads with an incredible growth rate that saw it amass a user base of over 100 million in January of 2023. It even caught the attention of a renowned international law firm, which marveled at its capabilities. As a generalized AI chatbot, its performance was nothing short of extraordinary. Consider this. Jackie, an employee at an advertising agency, was tasked with creating a captivating love story for a Valentine's Day ad campaign within a very short span of time. With the assistance of ChatGPT, he was able to build a compelling narrative that left his superiors and clients in awe. A powerful testament to the potential of ChatGPT in enhancing creativity and productivity. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and in this case, potential risks. The elephant in the room? Intellectual property and copyright issues. Even though Trasomark primarily focuses on trademark issues, we believe that our audience should be equally informed about IP and copyright-related topics. It's worth noting that intellectual property issues are often intertwined. We feel obligated to report on the potential risks of engaging ChatGPT in the workplace. These are serious matters that remain largely unaddressed, and as we delve deeper into the world of AI, they become increasingly important to consider. Who, for instance, owns the copyright of the responses generated by ChatGPT? In many jurisdictions, copyright protection is typically reserved for works created by humans, and as such, ChatGPT cannot own these rights. Specifically for this issue, although we have attempted to engage ChatGPT in dialogue, its responses have proven to be elusive at best. In our exploration of copyright concerns, Trasomark, a curious user, decided to probe ChatGPT about copyright issues. Trasomark asked ChatGPT. We, intrigued by the creative potential of ChatGPT, used it to co-write a love story. But then a question arose: who owned the copyright to this collaborative creation? Unfortunately, the AI's responses were inconsistent, often evading the question or stating that it couldn't provide legal advice. In some exchanges, it even seemed to claim that it had no rights to its generated content. But here's where things get tricky. ChatGPT's training data comes from a variety of sources, some of which are copyrighted materials. This could potentially create a risk of inadvertent copyright infringement. And as you may expect, ChatGPT refused to give you any guarantee of non-infringement. So, what did Trasomark learn from his experiment? The key takeaway is this: while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for content creation, it is not a legal advisor. It's crucial to be aware of potential legal issues and to exercise caution when using AI for content creation. Back to the Jackie's scenario. If you were Jackie's boss, would you prohibit Jackie from using ChatGPT in the workplace? Now, let's explore how we can try to circumnavigate these tricky waters. We understand that using ChatGPT can be a bit of a gamble when it comes to copyright issues, especially in a professional setting. However, instead of completely banning its use, we can consider a more thoughtful approach. So, how can Jackie or anyone else use ChatGPT safely and responsibly in the workplace? One way is to avoid open-ended questions. Instead, provide ChatGPT with specific details about the content you want to create. This reduces the chances of inadvertently infringing on existing works and helps establish clear copyright ownership. For instance, if Jackie wants to write a love story, he should provide details about the characters and the storyline, instead of asking for a generic love story. Moreover, it's crucial to avoid incorporating copyrighted works into collaborations with ChatGPT. For example, it would be a mistake to use the plot of P.S. I Love You and ask ChatGPT to create a humorous love story. This would likely lead to copyright infringement and a host of other problems. In conclusion, while using ChatGPT and similar AI tools can be risky, with careful and thoughtful use, these tools can be valuable assets in the creative process. Always remember, when it comes to copyright law, it's better to be safe than sorry.